Tai Chi move number 2, parting wild horse's mane. As far as martial application, we can act as if a punch is coming. We're deflecting it with our right hand, and then we're stepping in with the left side of our body, which would make contact on our partner. And that's an uprooting feeling. And then there's relaxing down, sinking, and taking our partner down. So in this short form, we do this 3 times. So I'm going to yield. I'm going to come forwards, deflect. Number 2, so the side of my body, moving into my partner, down, yielding, coming forwards. Number 3. Like all the moves, we want to have our intention from our brain move our lower dantian. So I'll do it from the side as well. I'm stepping in the side of my body, my lower body and my upper body are in sync, uprooting, and then I'd be taking a partner down. Yielding, coming forwards, deflecting, shifting. We all have tendencies. One of my tendencies is to cross over too much and pinch my shoulders. So being very aware of our tendencies while we're trying to maintain the 5 bows, long spine, long arms, long legs, softness to our body, continuous breathing,